Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Tab One, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So, to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top of your screen like so, and on this side you will find a bunch of toggles. Now if you swipe down like I just did, you will extend the list of them. Now when you extend it, it should reveal your power saving mode, or battery saver as it's called right here. But if you can't find it and you are in this list, you might need to add it yourself by clicking right here on this icon and then scrolling down and finding your battery saver somewhere below here. When you find it, you just hold it and drag it above, drop it, and it gets added. So when you go back, you now have access to the added toggle. Now when you find it in here, you just want to tap on it and this will automatically turn it on. As you can see, one of the things that it will turn on with the battery saver is the dark mode. Additionally, there are some other things happening in the background. So let's see if we hold this. This will take us to the settings. So here we can see what will be changed. So we have, let me just first turn that off, as I do prefer light mode. So, oh boy, it actually doesn't show the options when it's enabled. So, right? Oh no, never mind. Okay, so we have these two. Okay, so they were grayed out. So we have enable dark mode when your power saving mode is enabled. Switch off a live wallpaper. We have turn off after reaching power level, which is 90%. So when you start charging your device and it's over or gets to 90 plus percentage, it automatically will turn off your battery saver, and then set the battery to automatically enable when, there we go, percentage is, for instance, 20 or below. So if this is turned off by default by the looks of it, as I did just turn it on. And if you want, this would automatically enable power saving mode whenever your battery drops below a specified level. So there we go. That's basically the power saving mode or battery saver. Now it doesn't look like we have any other ones apart from this one. Sometimes other devices do have like ultra power saver, but here we just have this one. And anyway, once you toggle on the things that you want or don't want to affect you when the mode is enabled, you can then from now on just toggle it on and off from here. So you don't need to hold it, you can just tap on it. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.